Good evening, beautiful people. I did a video earlier that didn't get uploaded, so I'm back. I sat at this restaurant today, hoping to film. Well, I did film, and for some reason, my video didn't make the uploads. It didn't get to upload because of the music I had playing in the background. But what I did for y'all, what I did for myself, was ordered something to go. Now I had some things on my mind, so I went to this restaurant and I sat all day long trying different stuff. Now what I have right here, which is the first thing that I ate earlier, is, yes, red snapper. Not deep fried, not steamed. Today I got air fried red snapper. Look at this beautiful specimen. Yes. Yeah. And it was pretty big, so I had to, something's falling off of it, y'all, isn't it? Now here's the tail. Oh shit. Shoot, excuse me, y'all. I do not own the music that may be heard in the background. It's in another room. Actually, it's in another house. Let me say it like that. And we have stewed okra. Let me do my camera focus trick if it works. Stewed okra. And Banku, which I've already been playing with. Banku. This is from what I learned, literally it's a Ghanaian dish, and I also have pepper soup. Pepper soup. And this right here is a pepper sauce, which is actually Scotch bonnet peppers and garlic. Petrified, purified, blended, and it is splendid with this, what I'm digging in right here. Okay. Now, I always say that I'm gonna make the videos pretty quick, but I always end up making a 25 or 30-minute video. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I like my food to be smoking. I mean, steam coming off of everything. And that's not the traditional way to eat this food, because you have to eat everything with your hands. I'll take my banku, dip it in my pepper soup. I mean, with my fingers and everything. But it's too hot because I love it hot. I heated it up on the stove. Too hot for me to stick my fingers in. But the stewed okra, that's one thing I have to eat correctly. Uh-oh. And I should have let it cool off a little bit. I put everything else in the oven and heated it up. Hey y'all. Shit. Oh, hey, you know what, y'all? People keep telling me that I won't get many views if I say cuss words in my video. So So I'm gonna try my best to make this one of the last cussing videos that I do, or slip of the tongue videos. It's gonna be hard because I express myself in that way a lot, especially when it's in a good way, you know. Especially when it's in a good way, like this food. I want to say some stuff that I really shouldn't say on these videos. You know what I mean? But let me start out by saying, damn, it's good. Look at that. Look at that. Will you look at this? Uh-huh. What was that? Gone. But anyway, I can't help myself. But let me say this. I don't own the music that you may hear in the background. I don't own the rights to it. So, YouTube, please cut me some slack. Because I can't control what's going on in the world around me. I'm not using it for promotion. Anything you may hear in the background. Only me and my food. Holy shit. The pepper soup is on 100,000. Okay. I'm not even gonna keep calling these test videos because my background is gonna change anyway, y'all. I was trying to get it perfect, but there's absolutely no such thing as perfect. I may say it sometime, but truth be told, nothing's perfect. Especially when it comes to my background, my lighting. I'm always gonna be different places, eating different food, so it's gonna require a different atmosphere. So I can't stick to just one. If you haven't already, subscribe to my page, Jabari's All World Cuisine. I hail out of Louisville, Kentucky, home of Muhammad Ali and me. You know. Jabari's All World Cuisine. Click the like button or the thumbs up for any videos that you may like. I would appreciate it because it'll get more people to watch it. It actually helps share the video when you like the video. But make sure you subscribe to my page, and when the bell pops up on your right, make sure you hit that bell so you get notified when I come up with new videos or when I post something new. Like today, it was a nice video. I'm the only one that can see it, I believe. I don't think anybody else can see it because I had some music playing in the background. It's stewed okra, y'all, and Banku from Africa House. I believe it's called Africa House Restaurant and Lounge here in Louisville, Kentucky. And right about now, all my flavors are incorporated into my vessel. So now I go into the pepper sauce just to change the flow, change the direction a little, just a little bit, slightly. Change the speed of the beautifulness going on. You have to taste it, y'all. Hold on. You just slam stuff in your mouth, and it's mostly skin right there, but it's right. It's right. Just enough to change the direction. Get everything motivated, you know? Everything in front of me is motivated. Everything in back of me is motivated. Everything off to the sides are coming in from the back. That's what this sauce does. Brings everything back in. Everything on the side of me, everything. It's gonna get behind me. And eventually, in my world, while I'm eating, I bring it all up front. Which makes the connection. In other words, I'm eating all of this stuff. Everything's delicious. Then I hit everybody with a whammy, because everybody's collaborating already. I hit everybody with a whammy. Hit this pepper sauce to make everybody stop in their tracks and say, hey, let's get back in line. Watch this. Yeah. Until I'm sure about these videos, y'all, as far as the uploads, I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be uploading instead of going live. Banku. Stewed spinach. I'm sorry, stewed okra. Stewed okra. That was another thing I ate today while I was sitting at the restaurant. I tried to try everything. I was so engulfed by flavors when I first started. Kind of got overwhelmed and didn't know where to go. But I knew I had pepper soup on my mind, so my third plate was pepper soup and tilapia and fufu. Me personally, I would have rather have the red snapper and no fufu, because I didn't need a filler. I just wanted to taste the soup. I love soup. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. You gotta tell, these are my scrap pieces. I leave them close because I come back for them after I done completed. I bust through everything else. Yes, I love it, I love it, I love it. Now, truthfully, I'm not gonna say this restaurant is number one, but it's number one in their lane right now. Believe that. This is different for me. So they're number one right now. We're at 14 minutes already, y'all. This bad boy might be long, or I might cut it around 28, 29 minutes. I'm gonna let y'all check out Big Daddy with these big ass teeth. Look at them teeth, baby. Them eyeballs. That's why I was so excited about getting that video uploaded earlier, because for the first time in my life, I eat fish eyeballs on camera. I got it recorded, but I uploaded it, and the music killed me out, you know. But I'm about to eat these in a second before my time's up, because I don't want this video to be too drawn out, you know. I know one thing. I'm not just eating because I'm hungry. I've been eating all day long, y'all, at the same restaurant. I sat in there from 2 o'clock to like 9:30 tonight. Just chilling and eating. Banku. They say they do is put it into a ball and scoop up the food, but I like to flatten mine out, make like a little shovel, a bendable shovel, if you will. I get what I want in there. Look at that. It's a dirty job too, y'all. Look at my fingernails, my fingers. Somebody's got to do it. Why not be me? Now, Richard Pryor said, you got to believe in something. Why not believe in me? Yeah. Pepper sauce. I hope we don't get knocked down for this music, y'all. I got it playing real low. I don't know how loud it is to y'all. Now the pepper soup is normally eaten, from what I've learned, pepper soup is normally eaten with fufu. Fufu is actually at the bottom of the bowl. The pepper soup is on top of it. You can't even see it. And then you have whatever meat you decide to eat with the pepper soup. Today I had tilapia, which is a plain tasting fish to me, so it didn't excite me at all. I didn't even need the fufu in my pepper soup. I could have just ate the soup like I'm doing now. But I made sure I got something to go because I knew that video wasn't gonna upload, so I had to bring something home for y'all so I could film it. Look at that. Uh-oh, shoot. I'll get it in a minute. Time is rolling, y'all. I'm about to cut this in a second. Hope y'all enjoying this like I am. And please leave comments so I can know what you guys like. Or you got any suggestions on what I should cook next? Or any restaurants here in Louisville, Kentucky that I might need to go to, that y'all might think I want to go to, or to try out. I'm game all day long. Believe that. Nothing fast food though. You can believe that one. That's all the way out of the question. And traditionally, I'm supposed to only be getting my right hand dirty, but as y'all know, I had some problems with my wrist, my hand, had surgery, so I don't have all my nerves back in my fingers, so I don't know what I'm feeling. So I'm eating with my left. I'll tell you though. Oh, dog, yeah. This is right, y'all. Air fry it. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I grabbed the wrong chunk. Air fried red snapper, stewed okra, pepper soup, Banku. Pepper sauce on the side. I gotta find these bones because that was a nice looking piece. I'm gonna search for them in a minute. I got work to do right now. The bones trying to hang around. Oh yeah. I got work to do, y'all. 21 minutes so far, y'all. Pretty cool, huh? Get out of there. I can eat this every single day, too. Every day, y'all. I can eat red snapper every day. I'll get some of this pepper sauce out. Oh, shh. Alright, wasn't nothing, y'all. Y'all ain't even see it. Did nothing happen, look. Boy. I'm in here boinking out. Put that sauce on that fish. Yeah. Damn, that sauce is good, y'all. Y'all better believe every last one of my senses are on 1,000 right now. All these flavors, like 4 or 5 different heat elements. This is where it's at for me. Y'all know I do this. This is where it's at for me. Shit. I do this right here before I do a whole lot of stuff. And I mean stuff that you probably wouldn't believe. This would be my first choice. Eating something really good or trying something new. Yeah. One time for your mind. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. I really do. Those who get a chance to. I know everybody's busy, and it's holiday season. I think today is December the 12th, 2018. So it's holiday season. But if you enjoy me eating and enjoy my cooking, hit that subscribe button. Give a thumbs up to the videos that you like. And I definitely appreciate the support. Like I said, I got a lot more to come for y'all. Y'all ain't seen nothing yet. I done went hard on this pepper sauce though. It's good. Pureed ginger and Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. It's blended perfect too. Perfect on each end. The ginger end and the Scotch bonnet end. Neither one of them's taking over each other. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Shit. No, that's right. Yep. No utensils today, except for this spoon with the pepper soup. I ain't feel like taking all day with that. Mm. Yeah, really ain't no whole lot of y'all. I'm gonna smear this plate. I'm gonna scrape this bowl. I'm gonna wipe this bowl clean. And this bowl's definitely gonna be empty. Banku. And I'm not gonna have a lick of pepper sauce left. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm not gonna hold y'all that long. Gosh, y'all. I'm telling you. Wintertime, summertime, it don't matter. This pepper soup tastes like it will get me right in any weather. I promise you. I mean, if you're not feeling as good as you think you should be feeling, sinuses, headaches, stomach, whatever, I would try it. I would try it. I would try it. If you like spicy foods, because it's a pepper soup. But I'm telling you, I love it. And y'all know how I love my spicy foods. I ain't playing about none of this. Believe that. Y'all not even gonna see no skin on this when I get through with it. Yes, sir. Shit. Bones are treacherous, boy. I'm telling y'all, I am so excited. Y'all can't tell, but some of y'all that know me know I'm excited. I ain't saying nothing. Too much of nothing. Nose is running. My love for my nose to run. That means I done got a hold of something spicy. Shit, I ain't playing with it either. I never do. I'm digging all up behind the forehead, the eyebrow. Oh yeah, we at 29 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do this for y'all. Since we couldn't upload that video earlier, I'm popping this eye out. There's the eyeball, baby. There's that eyeball. Alright, get it out of this socket, then it's on. That's a little socket. It's the eyeball right there. Yeah, they taught me how to eat it earlier. The very inside of the eye, I know I'm grossing some shit out. Some of y'all out. But it's white. And it's like a little ball of chalk that you don't need to eat. You eat everything around it, which is everything that works. Alright, I got another eyeball to eat. A little more pepper soup. Some more of this and some more of that. But for the most part, I got the idea. Hold on, y'all. Let me put a little piece of this. Little piece of this red snap on top of that Banku and the stewed okra. Look at that mixture, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe. Hit the like button or the thumbs up for the videos that you like. Check me out on Facebook. Jabari's Food Truck Experience. YouTube, Jabari's Our World Cuisine. I appreciate y'all watching. I'm out.